Thank you.
Last night we put down the lath. It's a wire mesh, and it's, oh, what is it, the height? I think it's like 28 and something weird like that, inches by 8 feet. And so we span the joint so that is for if there's any joints in your plywood, in your floor joists, or in your plywood, in your subfloor, then it won't crack and crack your tile. That joint won't continue up into your grout lines. So we put this down, making sure that we don't end a crack of this at the same location as a crack in your subfloor. So, and then we staple it down everywhere, and then we put thin set over the top of it. So we got that done. There's some little burrs and stuff that are left up on it. I don't know if you can see right here, just a little. So what we end up doing is I grab a brick, and you can see this is a little bit smoother because we've used this quite a bit. And so we go over those burrs. If I can find them again now. Right, there's a little bit. And so, probably hard to see in the video. But we'll go around and just get rid of any little lip on this floor. But I'm gonna do that after I put all this sheetrock up, because I am tired of insulation up there falling down. So my guys out there cutting sheetrock to finish here instead of us just patching it like they had it. We're gonna just replace this full piece. It'll be a lot stronger. And so that's our pocket door. And then we'll hurry and put that ceiling pieces in and do some hot mud, which cures faster. So then that way it's dry by tonight, and then we will hurry and install tile today. So hopefully tomorrow morning we will have all of this tile done that we can walk on.
I did actually. Luckily, you did get both.
He's out there cutting tile next to Corvette and a Camaro. But anyways, just cut this underneath here and underneath there, so then the tile sits underneath it. And the way I do it, we get a scrap piece of tile. Oh, I thought you were meaning this. I'm like, that's cardboard, not wood. So because of the thickness of mortar, what I do is I take cardboard and I fold it. And depending on how thick I'm gonna do my mortar, and I put it like that. Go like that, and then we cut across. So then when we add our mortar, it will be a snug fit. Got that piece cut for there. So, and then we'll go full tile there, full tile here. And then this is gonna be 18 inches. That piece is 3 1/4. So we're a 1/4 inch away from the sheetrock. Then 18, which will be also a 1/4 inch away from the sheetrock. So all of these are measured. And I do not have my measurements for in there yet. We'll probably come up to here and then we'll measure and cut those as we go. So put mud on my block, put it in the middle, kind of spin it. You can fan it out a little bit. And you just ever so slightly have it touch. And let that sit. Then you can come in here and fan. Get rid of all your excess. also textured the walls. Just gave it a slight, not caring about right here, because this and here, this cabinet's going from here to here and then out to actually somewhere in here, all the way up. So we're just filling in the nail holes that were made from the previous ones. So, and the same thing over here, cabinet's going here, but I do need to texture right here up to about this point here.